What's up mga kasrambaw and welcome sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Ford Motors SRP, Talisay City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call Edgar Antonico on his mobile phone. This is the 2023 Ford Raptor 2.0 bi-turbo 4x4 AT. 2.399 million to. Cebu City price ha. June promo is 479,000 based on 20% down payment. 60 months is 48,140.00. Airbags is driver, front passenger, side, curtain, and knee. Brakes is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS with auto brake system. Features is traction control, adjustable speed limiter, adaptive cruise control with stop and go lane centering, electronic door locks, ISOFIX, speed sensing door locks, blind spot information system with cross traffic alert and braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping aid, driver alert system, forward warning collision system, evasive steer assist, active parking assist, hill launch assist, and hill descent control. Dito sa harap, dalawa ang grill sa taas at baba. Sa taas is honeycomb matte black. May malaking Ford na pangalan. Sa baba is honeycomb sa gilid, may butas sa gitna, silver accent sa baba, dalawang recovery tow hook sa mga gilid, matte black, plastic, front camera, napakalaking Ford na pangalan. 6 front sensors, headlights is matrix LED with adaptive front lighting system, and glare-free auto headlights, C-clamp DRLs LED. Performance LED sa loob for added design. Sa baba, fog lights LED. Dito sa gilid, wheels is gloss black, tires is 285/70 R17 BF Goodrich with tire pressure monitoring system. Side vents, side mirrors with repeaters LED, and auto fold, 360 camera, keyless smart entry, body color doorknobs, side fender na parang 2 inches ang lapad, matte black, step board black powder coated die-cast aluminum na ang lapad, stump Raptor dito sa dulo. Fender sa likod matte black, sayang walang step board. Dito sa taas, Raptor decals. Front suspension is double wishbone with coil spring. Fox shocks 2.5 inches. Rear is coil spring. Fox shocks 2.5 inches with matte linkage. Front brake is ventilated disc and rear is ventilated disc. May metal underbody protector. Dito sa likod, full-type antenna na may design na fin sa harap. Taillights LED. Blind spot radar dito sa gilid. Full spare tire sa ilalim. Third brake light LED. Matte black tailgate knob. Ford logo. Backup camera. Raptor emblem matte black. Stump Ranger dito. Dalawang recovery hook, solid na solid. 6 back parking sensors. Tailgate is assisted, magaan. Pwede mo tong mai-clip dito. magkabilaan. Bedliner is my Ford. 6 ang talian, 3 dito sa side. Then 3 sa kabila. 12 volts socket and 230 volts socket. Door panels is black on black. Soft rubbery type leather dito. Stitching. Grove and matte accent. Lock and unlock. Power window button. Plastic. Leather. Leather din dito. Doorknob. Bottle holder. Speaker. Ford Performance Paint Protector. Hand grip. Sa likod ng door panels is still black on black. Plastic na dito. Leather. Leather din. Stitching. Power window button. Plastic. Doorknob. Plastic. Bottle holder. Speaker. Hand grip. Tapos din sa taas may hand grip din. Handrest may 2 cup holder. May mga pockets sa likod ng mga upuan. Air vents sa gitna. USB Type-C and USB port. 230 volts socket. Sa driver side na pintuan naman is same, black on black. Soft rubbery dito. Stitching. Grove accent. Accent na naman. Leather. Lock and unlock. Auto fold button. Power windows lock. Power side mirror button. Power windows button. Leather. Doorknob. Bottle holder. Speaker. Ford Performance Paint Protector. Hand grip. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Soft rubbery leather dito. Gloss black. Orange accent sa loob. Retractable cup holder. Headlight switch. Light leveling. Upuan is leather. Suede type leather. Orange stitching. Then suede. Orange accent. Leather. Orange accent. Orange stitching. Suede dito. Raptor orange. Headrest, leather. Stitching, orange accent sa likod. 10-way power seats. Dito is for front and back. Then height. Ito sa likod. Then ito sa lumbar support. View sa likod. Steering wheel is leather wrap. May orange accent sa taas. Orange Raptor sa baba with audio controls. Dito is different menu adjust. Dito is cruise control. Infotainment button. Voice command. Paddle shifters. Dash animation display. Then monitor niya is 12.4 inches digital display cluster. Infotainment is 12-inch color portrait touchscreen central display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, Sync 4A with voice activated, dual zone electronic automatic temperature control aircon, different auxiliary switch, sunglass holder, doom lights white, sun visor with vanity mirror sa driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror sa passenger side. Push start stop button, USB Type-C and USB port, wireless charging, space malagyan, leather, 2-cup holder, automatic transmission, auto handbrake, different 4-wheel drive modes, center armrest leather, then may hold, electronic adjustable seats din sa passenger side na upuan. Suede type leather dito, glove box sa taas, pwedeng malagyan, glove box sa baba, di susi, retractable cup holder, piano black, orange accent sa loob. Ang engine niya is a 2.0 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve, bi-turbo diesel engine. Max output is 210 PS. Max torque is 500 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is 10-speed automatic with e-shifter. Fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. So that's it mga kasarambaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Peace. Thank you.